Okay, how's everybody today? So the TAs and I have been working on revising the agenda for this course and revising the syllabus for this course. So if you go to the Blackboard page, you'll see on there the original agenda that I handed out at the beginning of class and the original syllabus. So you'll now see the revised agenda and the revised syllabus. And we're still not finished, so, but we've done a lot of it, okay? And as of right now, I'm pretty happy with the revised agenda. Of course, I had to revise it because of, of the lateness, of the books arriving. I did talk to the manager of the bookstore on more than one occasion, and of course one of the problems was the big snowstorm they've had, throughout the whole United States, and it just wasn't possible to even get the books here. And even though they ordered them, they weren't here, and I didn't have a chance today to go check. Did anybody check today? They're still not in? Not any of them? No dear. Well, I don't think this will hurt the revised agenda nonetheless. Yes. Yeah, I did that, okay? Yes. So here is the revised agenda here. And so this has now what I expect are actually going to be the days for everything, okay? And so here I've got the weeks, okay? They're still, the semester's still 14 weeks, okay? Although we're now in week 4 already of the semester, okay? So I put the dates out here so you know what we are, and basically, so what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to talk about, in the concept part of the course, I'm going to talk about software. And so I'm going to do that today. And then on Thursday, I'm going to talk about digital life, okay? And then the PowerPoint slides are C03 and I02, okay? And we put the PowerPoint slides up also. We'll look at that in just a minute, okay? But we're putting the PowerPoint slides up just so that they're about a week ahead of time, so that you can actually look at these PowerPoint slides before the lecture. You can download these PowerPoint slides before the lecture and have a chance to look at them. And then, of course, you'll be able to have these PowerPoint slides. You can keep them. And then assignments and exams. So this week, assignment 1 is due. Okay? And so assignment 1 I handed out last week. And so it'll be due this week. So in fact, it's going to be due on Thursday. Okay? Before the class on Thursday, this assignment 1 will be due. Then you can look down here and you can see on a week-by-week basis what it is, the way I see the course. It's a little bit kind of crowded, toward the end. So, for instance, next week, I'm going to be talking about spreadsheets, okay? And that is in the PowerPoint slides, S06. And we're going to have our first exam next week. And so that will be Thursday of next week, okay? And either on Tuesday or Thursday of next week, I'm going to hand out the second assignment, okay? And so you can go down here and you can see when I'll be handing out assignments, okay, when assignments are due, and when the quizzes are. So we have now cut down on the number of assignments and the number of quizzes, okay? And we've also changed the point value, okay? So now there are 4 assignments altogether, A1 through A4, and 5 exams, okay? Each one of these exams should take up about half of a class, okay? And then, so there's 4 assignments, 5 quizzes, and then class attendance and class participation, okay? So there's 10 elements, okay, to your grade. Each of these 10 elements will now count 100 points, and so there's 1,000 points altogether. Now, you will have basically, if you look at, so next week, okay, you're going to have E1, okay, that's going to be the first exam, okay, and so that's going to be over, okay, the information, okay,